Good morning, super moms. Good morning, super kids. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today, I will just teach you some techniques to improve handwriting, and I'm thankful to Principal Ma'am and Dr. Sukwinder Ma'am. Uh, both are my mentors, and they have means special classes, handwriting classes were arranged for we all Kohinoorian teachers in year 2015, and from last 6 years I'm teaching my kids in the same technique and in the same way. So today I'm just helping my kids, super kids and super moms, to learn the techniques to improve their handwriting and what are the ways to write. I will show you that. Okay, so the miss how to improve handwriting. This is the main. Nowadays, it's very important. If your handwriting is good, then only the child can, you will not have any problem for writing in a good handwriting, and then they will learn the technique in the early age, then for the lifetime it will go with them, Anna. Yes. So the easy way over here I will tell you that keep handwriting. Okay, now you see I'm drawing one this thing over here to show you that okay, yes, this is, we are having over here straight line, and this is our right hand side, and this is our left hand side. Okay, over here when you're writing straight, if your handwriting is straight, then you will get 6 to 7 marks. 6 to 7 marks you will get. Okay, 6 to 7 marks you will get. Okay ji? And if you're writing to your left hand side, then you will get 0 to 2 marks. It's a basics, huh? If you want to improve your handwriting, then we should always keep in our mind that when we are writing straight, then you will get 6 to 7 marks, and when you are writing to your left hand side, then you will get 0 to 2 marks, and when you're writing to your right hand side, as we are writing with the right hand, so we will get how many marks? 9 to 10 marks. Okay. Okay, so this we have to always keep in our mind. Then when we are writing, so we should always write to our right hand side. For example, I'm writing over here, uh, I'll write over here can. So you can see over here ka and na, can. Now you see it's slanting and it's going to which side? Right hand side. It's going to right hand side. Am I right? See over here, it's going to right hand side. Slanting. Am I right? Yes. Now you see over here, every letter will be like this only. Okay, fine. You can see over here, and it's going parallel. Parallel means equally chal rahe hain saath mein, and it's to your right hand side. So this we have to keep in our mind always. Okay. So today I will just tell you that first basics. We have to do practice of making tail. Every letter means reed ki haddi we can say in Hindi if we want. Then it is called tail. What I have drawn over here, it's called tail. It's called tail. Over here I'm writing tail. It is tail. Okay. In Hindi we can say that ki every letter ka ye reed ka haddi hai. Okay, reed ka haddi, as we are having in our body, the same way this is the tail, and it's very important in every letter. Maybe it's small letter, maybe it is capital letter. So we have to always keep in our mind that this is tail, and it should be like this only. Now you see over here, I have written one tail over here, and the second tail I will draw over here, right over here, two over here, three, and over here four. Now you see it's slanting and it's going to the right hand side only. So if we are doing practice like this, so we have to do always we have to write always slanting to our right hand side. Okay, fine. And when we are doing practice, so this should be written like this in one line 4 times. Okay. Yes. So we should always do practice of tail. Now with pencil I will show you. It's with the black pen. Now you see over here, tail should be done like this way, that a little curve, go slanting, and then curve. Okay, it should come inside. Okay, now you see, curve, and then like this, curve, slanting, and then like this. So it's called tail, and we should always do practice of tail. This we should do practice of tail. Okay ji. So tail is always important for every letter. Maybe it is small letter, maybe it is capital letters. So keep in our mind, this point is very important. This should be always kept in our mind. Super moms, this you should just tell to my super kids that if they are keeping in their mind from now, okay, as they are small, but if they are starting from the basics from here, if they are keeping in their mind, then their handwriting will be always neat and clean, and it will look very good, and their handwriting will be, definitely their handwriting will be improved if they are keeping in their mind this thing. Okay, so super moms, just help my kids to do the practice. You can help, or first of all, super moms, you can also do the practice like the same, so it will be easier to teach my super kids. Now you see, I'm writing over your tail, and when we're writing, just you have to lightly, we have to write, we have to press or put a stress on the notebook. Slowly we have to write. Now you see, with the light hand, don't press or put force over the on the paper. Okay, pencil. Okay, now you see over here, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. You should do practice of the means super moms can do practice of 4 to 5 lines. Okay, now the next one, first letter we will start. Okay, the first letter I will start, that is first letter, that is with same tail I will start. That is the first letter, that is Kh. In this we have to keep in mind that tail we have to make. Okay ji, then we have to make a k, and then we have to end in the middle. Now can you see these 2 lines? These are 2 lines. In the middle it is completed. Now you see, this is middle line, middle of this line, beach me. Okay ji. Now you see, now again with the tail. Now tail is very important for every letter, so it will be completed in the middle. Okay ji. Now you see, kh. This is for my all Kohinoorian super kids. Hope the best that they will be get the benefit of improving their handwriting. This is kh. Okay ji, kh. Okay. Now over here with the pencil I will show you. With the tail, starting with the tail, kh. Over here, C we can see. Okay. In the middle we have to complete. Now you have to touch the line and then complete in the middle. Middle means over here. Okay ji. This is C or K. Okay. Now you see over here. With the tail only we have to start and end in the middle of these 2 lines. So super moms and super kids, I hope that this will be beneficial for all my super kids. Today I am just telling you about the tail, about the importance of the way of writing should be which type, and it is very important, always should be kept in the mind. हमेशा अपने दिमाग में बच्चों को सबको ये रखना चाहिए that कि when we are writing like this, these are the methods. If you're writing into your left hand side, then 0 to 2 marks you'll get. When you're writing straight, then you'll get 6 to 7 marks. And if you're writing to your right hand side, then you'll get 9 to 10 marks in your papers, test, whatever. Okay, so for improving your handwriting, now I have told you about the tail. Tail means reed ki haddi of the letters. Okay, then this is tail. I have written over here 4 times. You can write 4 to 5 lines, and the first letter we have done today is K. So I hope that all will do the practice. So I'm thankful to all my super parents and super kids. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you. Stay safe. Good day. Bye bye.